Mtimbani's Tsonga rap battle. Mtimbani is a crybaby. He's a person who's crying every day. So it's Hamar Gurele listen to his music, listen to his posts most of the times. Yeah, munhu loyi a like. And vona sweswi busy no posta nsati wa yena wa mulungu. And loko Sherile a yi lo posta ya mina DJ Ntwana u ta n'wi twa ku na na swi ta hela hi mihloti mara ku posta Mtimbani a nga vuli. Ntimo wa DJ Ntwana. So
Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuhuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka u nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand, u kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Jaimito mfana wa le Msambikani mai baba jaru kula imbaja tanuna xitivi hi mina. Channel leyi hi yona the channel that matters. Hambi vo kwata va ku channel leyi nge kuli va tlola va ya henhla va ya hansi va la tshaya va swi kumisa sweswi ya ha to kula ku ya mahlweni va la ze va ku bo yeyi. Before hi ya kula na video leyi wena nga hi ku khensa n'anga ya ka Gaza, sangoma ya ka Gaza. My boy, you are doing very well. Ni vona u faka DJ Skugza on the stage. U ni twa ku yezo yezo a ni ti ku ti nga tala kwini ta ku yezo yezo mara it's a good style because a wu landzeleli leswaku siyavuma siyavuma vumani vo siyavuma ma ni twa mo siyavuma. So it's a good thing. Keep growing my dog. Don't listen to people who think that they are more important than the rest. Don't listen to people who think hi vo vanhu la misaveni na hi vanhu. Keep doing your entertainment. We love it. Hambi hina hi tinganga hi vanhu va Xikwembu but we love your content and keep doing what you do. Hopefully God will bless you more, my man. For some reason a ni hleketa ku xin'wanana swa ku na vana va yifuwa ni nga swi tivi. Siyavuma yeso la vulavula hi a hi tivaneni phati ya misava and the Tsonga rap battle. This is Vakhandle Group and we are family. Xa ku sungula a hi ri kona ka a hi tivaneni le a yi ri ka Chief hosted by Spykus. Xa ku sungula hi khensa Spykus for ku hi pfumelela hi endla leswi a hi tele ku swi endla as difficult as it was. Big shout out to the man. We have been communicating with him 2-3 months ago ever since the event was decided. It's very difficult to speak with these event organizers and then they allow you to cover the event and do what you want to do by your terms, you know. So thanks to Spykus for that. Number 2, now Khensa Vakhandle for giving us the clothing that we needed. We needed so much clothing and they gave us enough. And a hi tirhisanga hinkwaswo na ku swi tirhisa why because a ku titimela like a hi ri na swikipa a hi ri na maduri but we ended up wearing hoodies only because a ku titimela ma vo. So that's what happened. So ha va khensa sweswo. Number 3 ni lava ku khensa mapapawa for being calm. You know, in events you need to be very calm and collected. You need to be a leader. Na loko u phuntini u fana hi mapapawa ka nga tswali. You need to be a leader and be decisive in everything. So we appreciate the guys' emotional intelligence and reading the room, what is needed and stuff like that, but also trusting us. And big shout out to Papa Ntsongo for the team spirit. You know, Papa Ntsongo munhu un'wana wa nkani but he has a big heart. So loko va na nkani u tlhe u fana na mina ximbilwambilwana ni hlwela ku kwata. So loko va na nkani u tlhe u fana na mina u ri na ximbilwambilwana you won't finish anything. So with Papa Ntsongo is that you always push to get things done, but either on his own terms or not. Because I remember when we were there, I'm like, Papa Ntsongo, I'm tired. He was like, my Papa, I still love it. Yeah, I still love it. And then we must move to other people. I'm like, Papa Ntsongo, we're tired, but you want us to work. And we're there to work. We're there to do the job. So tired was not an option, but we appreciate such people. They push you to do over your limit. So I can say papantsongo funny. Mani vula vito papantsongo funny. Nge vita ni lera rin'wana ku nga ri nga ha tirhi. It's very tricky to work with Basan, the lady who I do interviews with, because of her firm beliefs and the attitude towards these things at the event. It's a very difficult environment for her to go around these spaces and do all of these nonsensical things that we do, being around people like me who I never filtered. It doesn't matter where I am. And I think now it's becoming bad because sometimes which is, yeah, it's like now you can't differentiate between content and stuff and other things. So big shout out to you, Basan. We did well, and I was happy to see you getting out of your comfort zone, doing what we were supposed to do. And we've been planning this thing for a long period of time, having back-to-back meetings, postponements, but we never gave up. We did it, baby. Sharp, sharp, baby. And then lastly, oh, let's go to Spiko's event. The event was fully paid. I know your big names. The Mr. Post, Ben Mangan, blah blah blah. Let's speak about Mr. Post these days. Uh, the event was fully packed, and this is like Spiko is a young person who's hosting these events, marketing this event. So that's what is satisfying. Like that even if he's a wrong front, it doesn't matter. He's building his own name. I Tibaneni Kulisar Shak Spikos Futsak. So big shout out to him and big shout out to all the organizers. Those people, they don't spend so much money on artists. They spend so much money on management and thing. But one thing ninga shibona event ya Spikos, safeties is a number one priority. You will find bouncers everywhere. Some of them they're just moving around, and bouncers are very unreasonable. If there's something, people who are very unreasonable on events, if the bouncer is playing a good life, so you don't mess up with bouncers. You can't do it. You can't just mess up with bouncers. So that's the good thing about the events that because safety is a priority number one from what I've seen. So it was fully packed. Big shout out to him too. Again, Yaka Patyamsa was hosted by Kenes and Saimferi, but the person who seemed to be in charge of it was Kenes because of his marketing skills. I explained this other video. I'm like, this Kenes grew through marketing his things via WhatsApp. So if you see even today how he communicates, how he beg people to buy events, tickets all along, all these times until today, you can tell this guy is a visionary. This guy is a hard worker. Kuba hard worker sila utla the gribano ya pasna pezu. So Kenneth is smart. I don't love him, but I know do not that I hate him. Just not a big fan of him. I just don't like him. You can go to hell if he takes that too hard. But I'm not much of a big fan. I just have those they are music, they are songs that I'm like, hey, this one hits hard. I'm kind of that guy who I only listen if it's a hit, if it's touch. So it's like when I sell album, and then I'm like, okay, I love this one. This one he killed it, but I'm not a fan of him. So yeah, ungachavi kuvula kwa fan ya munhu na huleli umali nokuva fan kahle kahle wo dyiwa mali kuva fan. So that was proper, that was great. I saw the event was full from videos. The big names they're the big name that you might need, which was Benny Mayangani. So big shout out to him. I think these were the events that were hitting the lines, in my opinion. If we're not eventually na did well, you can comment here. Maybe next time we'll look into the areas where these events are being hosted at. But this one's just at the brand Aitivanin Patyamsa. Lastly, let me get to Mtimbani's rap Tsonga rap battle. Mtimbani is a crybaby. He's a person who's crying every day. So it's amarugurele na listen to his music, listen to his posts most of the times. Yeah, munhu I like. And vona sweswi busy no posta nsati wa yena wa mulungu, and loko cherile a yi lo posta ya mina DJ Ntwana wa ta n'wi twa ku na na style hi mihloti, mara ku posta Mtimbani a nga vuli ntimo wa DJ Ntwana, so lo wa Daniel Brothers. So a ni ku no tlhava hi muti when that thing started, Mtimbani posted whatever I posted, I jumped into it. I'm like, I want to be part of it. I can't rap, of course, but you need these different ideas. And Mtimbani accepted me and took me into everything. I just got into an accident loko ni ta lahlekela hi tifoni mi nga yi vona video liya ni va ni tekela tifoni na ti-equipment to shoot and stuff like that swin'wana na ha ku xava and so when that happened mm, I didn't do the interview. I was supposed to do a lot of things that other than the interview, but I didn't do so many things because I didn't have equipment and na phone. So the Tsonga battle was kinda disturbed by me there, and I can take the L for that. Um, it went on to happen as it planned. It was planned, but Mtimbani wasn't happy about it. Zail was happy because I know all Dumanyana it was nothing. Rapper shit, man. Zail. Like I listen to his music, he's just like he has a good voice and he's dedicated to what he does, but he's not a rap. Zaid is not a rapper. Listen to Ngoma Lenga na munu. Anga rapping chumu la. He's not a rapper. Zail is not a rapper. Anga mana kwata ya lena le. It's not a rapper. This one nung support this one. Anu love hakuman king. But look, when I was listening to his catalog, I was like, this thing is not a rap. Yeah, busy meeting band. It's like in my bush. In our bush, so in my bush, where I look like topics and I'm timber. Women and Zyle. Like I take on. But I love his dedication, his time that he invested, his money that he spent coming to Pajamsa without being booed and he was not paid. That's love, right? So and he does good music. It's just that he's not popular. So Mtimbani wasn't happy about the event. Why? Because he's a crybaby. So being a crybaby, like people booed Zyle. When he booed Zyle, they booed Zyle. It was like damn. So he was not happy about that. So rap battle, you love audience organized. Doesn't need people who are drunk. Or you love people who want to enjoy and what's on it going to happen on the stage, not vibe. So that's why those people will bring him. And he says, Mtimban says to me, he doesn't want to claim victory at home ground. So and people will judge them. So I think it's a good way of doing things. Never don't claim easy victories. Fight for your victories. So yeah, I concur with him, Timman. Let them go to Chab. But that's what I told him. I'm like, okay, man, I can cover these things. I can do these things. There's no video even today that is out there to see whatever happened. But initially, when we spoke, he said he wants to post it on the Rock Commentals channel because it is the right audience for hip hop, and I concurred with him on that. But even if I didn't agree with him on the end line, because my strategy was to cover these things, yeah. But because it was depending on the 16th, I already had to go to Spike or something tired. So Mara, starting the movement is a good thing. We're still around with the movement, and I wish to be part of it till death. Do us a part with Song Arab Battle. I'm not a rapper, but I'm just a promoter, a person who can talk shit